So I'm back with an updated brow tutorial. I actually got sent this box from Influenster and it had Anastasia products such as stencils, powder, gel, and a pencil. So zooming you in, these are my brows. As you can see, I need a lot of fill-in, mostly on the tail. So I'll just be starting by using my brow definer and then starting kind of somewhere by the front. I'm gonna start shaping or outlining my shape of my brow and then just kind of filling the rest in. I like using really light strokes, especially in the front of the brow. And then I like to also use the brush side and just brush the front just so you can have a blended effect. I continue just to fill in my brows with the brow definer, and then once I get to the front of my brow, this is where I like to tilt my brush vertically and then just create hair strokes. Just have in mind that with this brow definer, since it's more on the thick side, you can't get the hair strokes as good as you would if you had the other pencil, the skinny one. Next, I like to take the brow powder and I like taking the brush that it came with, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the tail because that's where I have the most sparse areas in my brow. So yeah, just filling in the tail with the powder. So I'll be doing the same thing with the other brow. I like to brush my eyebrow hairs up first and then go ahead and start again somewhere in the front and then just outlining my brow until I get the desired shape. I try to stick with my original shape because I think that's what suits me the best. But you can totally do any type of brow you want. Now using my Shape Tape Tarte Concealer, I like to apply it in the back of my hand. And then I like to use a flat brush and start in the front and then just cleaning up my eyebrows with this. With the same brush, I use it to diffuse the concealer, and then when I get to the front of my brows, I like to use my finger just to blend all that excess concealer in. Then what I like to do is take the remainder concealer that I had in my hand and then just use that to prime my eyelids. So for the last step, I take the Anastasia clear brow gel and then just brush my eyebrows with the gel. And yeah, this is the final look, guys.